Hey there, I'm Abdullah and today I want to share my journey with you, a journey that transformed my career. After graduating in computer engineering, I was convinced that I will conquer the marketplace. But as many Palestinians, I hit this wall, which is the lack of opportunities and the difficulty and the competitive work environment. At first, I was really stuck, hopeless, and I didn't know what to do. Then I stumbled into Tab's software development program. It was an ad on Facebook. I went through the website, read more and more, went through the ISA, and I was not really sure if I should join or not. I reached out to a friend of mine, and I found out that I don't have to pay a penny until I land my first job. So I jumped in, and luckily I got accepted. TAP was a great opportunity to gain as much experience from the experts, connecting with the mentors, and several mind-opening coaching sessions, which were really beneficial to sharpen my skills. TAP made sure to equip me with the essential skills in both communication and technical aspects, ensuring that I will shine wherever I work. The program ended, a new chapter began. Armed with the confidence of countless mock-up interviews, made me really sure that I will tackle any interview will come in my way. And guess what? The hard work paid off, and one of TAB's hiring partners noticed my skills and they offered me a job as a backend engineer. Now, I wake up every day grateful about this opportunity. TAB changed my life. They took me as a stuck, hopeless graduate and they transformed me into a productive person in the marketplace. If you're in the same boat, don't hesitate. Dive into TAB's software development program. It's worth it.